In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add music to your Canva presentation just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you will do first, just open your Canva homepage like this, and this is, for example, my Canva presentation, okay? I want to add music to this Canva presentation. So here is what you need to do. Click over here on upload. Okay, you have two options. You can click on upload and you can click over here on upload file, and you can upload the music from your laptop that you want to use. Okay, so let me see if we can find music from here like this. Okay, so for example, I want to add this music to my Canva presentation. I will click on open, and your music will be uploaded to your Canva account. Then what you will do first, click over here on the first page of your presentation, okay, like this. Then click on your music that you want to add, and here you go, your music will be under your Canva presentation, okay. And that's how you can add music to your Canva presentation. Super easy, okay. If you don't want to add music you have from your laptop, I can delete this one. I will show you how you can add the music from Canva, okay. So just come to this bar over here, scroll down, okay, go over here and click on audio, okay, and click on the search and search for the background music that you want to add to your Canva presentation. Let's search for some music, happy music, for example. I can search for happy, and here you go. You will find a lot of music here that you can add to your Canva presentation. So just choose any background music you want. So let's choose this one, for example. I will click on this background music, and here you go. Your background music will be under your Canva presentation, okay. And that's it. That's how you can add a background music to your Canva presentation. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this Canva presentation with music will be downloaded to your laptop, okay. You can also click on the background music over here, and you can control the volume of your background music from here, okay. If you want to make it, if you want to decrease or increase it, you can control this from here. Super easy. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.